Fancom presents the Pig Cough Monitor at EuroTier 2012. A reduction in the use of antibiotics is healthier for both pigs and humans. Today's levels create serious problems in consumer health, with the potential effect of serious disease. Moreover, current antibiotic policies present an enormous financial risk for the farmer. Fancom's Pig Cough Monitor provides a viable answer to the problem by using the benefits of sound to identify respiratory disease early. The system consists of a control with analyzing software and 2 microphones installed at several locations to record sound. This sound is then filtered initially to distinguish general pig sounds, then separating these from coughing. From there, the farmer can determine the acceptable level of coughing against a preset norm. Healthy animals will perform better, leading to more consistent growth and weight and greater profit. At the same time, sick pigs still need to be treated with antibiotics, but improved and faster observation of the animals reduces the use of these for shorter periods to less animals. Apart from the obvious financial benefit, the system also gives veterinaries the ability to meet the challenge of continuously providing more detailed information about current threats. Not only can they consult in a quick and economic way, they can also compare the results of different farms and manage the threat of a wider spread infection within their region. At EuroTier on the 13th to the 16th of November 2012, Fancom will present its Pig Cough Monitor. We are convinced the industry will continue to find new ways to improve the health and welfare of animals. We believe our innovations are at the forefront of this. If you have a vested interest in animal health and welfare, we would be more than happy to meet you and discuss Fancom's vision for the future.